hello, 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 hello. Hey, Raw family. Hope everyone is doing okay. Yes, it's Thursday. All right, let me straighten up here. It's Thursday, and it is time for another video. I always stop and pause to see what I'm going to say first. All right. I hope everyone is enjoying the Thursday. I want to start off by saying thanks to all of my new subscribers. And I've really been getting some awesome comments. Also, I know, my ride or die. I mean, that sums it up. My ride or die subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So today we're going to do something pretty simple for your holiday table, but you know, I'm going to try to do a little something. And let me explain for all of my new subscribers. I have a catering business, and most of you know, the competition for catering is very, very intense. You have to persuade people why they should pick you for their catering. So I am all about presentation. Don't worry, the food is excellent. I wouldn't be doing this as a living. But you can never get a client if you first don't get their attention. So your presentation has to be on point. Now, if you're cooking it for your family, okay, I can see that. But with me, I practice what I do. So whenever I'm doing a dish, I'm either trying to take it to another level, or I want the presentation to be, you know, kind of like a wow factor. I want to think outside the box because competition is stiff, you guys, out here. But with that being said, today we're going to do a broccoli, rice, cheesy casserole, but we're going to add some smoked Gouda, you know, give it that, you know, that little kick it needs. So let's get started on this video. Let's get this train on the tracks, and let's get this baby done. Okay, here are the ingredients. In this bowl here, I have 2 cups of long grain rice cooked, and whatever let's say you cook it for 10 or 15 minutes. It says to cook it for 10 or 15 minutes. Always reduce that. I'm going to say by 3 or 4 minutes because it's going to cook in the casserole also, and you really don't want a mushy broccoli rice casserole. All right, in this bowl here I have 2 cups of broccoli florets cut up, and I use the frozen kind. And no, you don't need to cook these ahead of time. You don't need to boil them. You just chop them up. And I like it because you can give it some type of texture. You can chop it up how small you want or how fine you want it. I like texture, so that is the reason they're diced kind of nicely. Here I have a can of cream of celery soup, and you see I got the healthy request. This can here has 25% less sodium than the other cans, and trust me when I tell you guys, these cans, not the healthy request, it's still kind of high, are packed with sodium. The cream of celery soup just by itself has 860 grams of sodium. So that means it's packing a lot of salt. Okay, here I have 1 cup of flour. I have 2 cubes of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sour cream. I have 1/4 cup of grated smoked Gouda that I grated myself. I have, I'm gonna say 1/4 of a block of Velveeta cheese that I just cut into cubes. Here I have 1.25 cups of shredded, shredded medium cheddar. Wow, about to lose my thought here. And here I have 1/2 onion chopped up, 1 stalk of celery chopped up, and 1 garlic clove in here. Also, we are going to need 1 cup of whole milk. And for the kicker, you guys, once it bakes for about 25 minutes covered, then we're going to come back and take the cover off and add these crispy fried onions for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. All right, and in a skillet, I have a tablespoon of butter. So what we're going to do is saute the onions, the garlic, and the celery now. Then I'll come back and show you what we do next. Okay, Royal Family, we're going to saute this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're going to add the flour, kind of like doing a roux. And we'll cook it with the flour. For about 2 minutes, just to get the flour taste out. Okay, so this is the 1 tablespoon of butter, the onion, celery, and garlic, and it's smelling amazing. Now I've added the flour, as you can see, to the mixture. And what we'll do next is pour the milk in, add the cream of celery soup, and then I will come back and show you the next step. So this is the flour. Only cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, here is the milk and the cream of celery soup mixture. Now what I want you to do is start adding the Velveeta cheese, the smoked Gouda, the sour cream, and the Philadelphia cream cheese. We're going to start adding this to the base. All right, we've added the broccoli. Now last, we're going to add the rice. And I did use 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. So next is the rice. Then I will show you. Preheat your oven, to 350 degrees, and we're going to cook this covered for about 25 minutes. Then we're going to uncover it and put the French onions on there. All right, Royal Family, we're going to put the broccoli rice casserole in this beautiful 9-inch pie plate. We don't have to do the standard and put it in the oblong casserole dish. This plate is beautiful. I think the presentation will be gorgeous when you set it on your table. And if you're making it for more than 10 people, I say do 2 of these. Put one at one end of the table and the other one at the other end of the table. But this is gorgeous. So this is what we're going to put the broccoli rice casserole in. All right, Royal Family, it is now in the pie dish. And what we're going to do, and again, you know me, so I changed my mind. We're going to cook it uncovered, okay? And we're just going to drop the medium cheddar on top. And try to spread it evenly. Don't do like I'm doing. Okay, uncovered for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then we'll come back and add the French onions at the end. 350. All right, see you guys in about 30 minutes. All right, Royal Family, this looks freaking amazing. It has been in for 25 minutes. Now we're just going to add the French onions. So I just kind of crumbled them up because I don't want them, all big and bulky. We're just going to spread it on top and put it in for another 10 minutes. And it will be done. That looks freaking amazing. All right, next time you see me, I will show you the final presentation. Okay, Royal Family, Here is the finished product of the broccoli, rice, and cheese casserole with the smoked Gouda. Check that out. And you guys, I dug out some because I let it sit and it got kind of cold on me because I had to run an errand. But I want you guys to see this. I promise you, this is another winner. With the smoked Gouda and the French fried onions on top. Oh my Lord. I will be posting this down in the description box. You guys have to put this on your Thanksgiving table. And there are the fried onions that are kind of toasty, but look at this. And when you taste it with the smoked Gouda, woo! Mrs. O promised you. This one is a winner. All right, I've taken a bite. I'll do one more. Oh my Lord, you guys. This is so amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe. And you guys, I got a dessert recipe that's coming up that is in my head that is going to be such a wow factor when you put on your dinner table. But until Saturday, it'll either be Saturday or Sunday. God bless you. Stay connected. And I'll see you guys soon. But look at that. I mean, it's just amazing.